Hello Odoo.sh. I hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we are going to learn how to access Odoo.sh projects and how we can add users to Odoo.sh like a developer, tester, like and the normal user to Odoo.sh in UAT like staging branch, developer related development branch, main production branch, right? So how we can allow users to uh, access the Odoo.sh projects with different branch, and how we can allow users like a developer to uh, push the code in that specific branch, right? Like we will give GitHub permission. So how we will give the GitHub permission, and then code will push to the repository, right? So for that, if you type in the browser odoo.sh/projects, then you will see your Odoo projects. And if you have already the list of projects, then you will see this kind of projects list, and you can open the projects from here. So this is the Odoo.sh project screen where you will see development, then here a list of development branch. So it will every day, like it will like delete, so it will only for the specific development purpose. And then the staging, it means testing, and then a main production. So here what happened, like a developer will first of all work in the local host or in his system, then he will push code in the development and test, and if everything works fine, then he will drag and drop to staging. And then here staging, the tester and other high level user can test. uh, Staging is the like prototype, it means the same copy of the production basically. So the tester will test in the copy of production, so he will test like how actually it will work in the production. And then if everything works fine, then he will drag and drop to the production, and then it will effect in the main database. So for that, first of all we will see how we can add a specific user to Odoo.sh project. So if you go here, and here in the main you can see settings. So if you go to settings, and here you can see collaborator. So if you add here the GitHub profile of specific developer or user, then you can add. So let's say if I type my name, then you can see my name here, and you can add, right? You can add as a developer, tester, admin, and based on that user can access the branch, right? So here in the branch, how we can like give GitHub permission. So if you open your GitHub, let's say if you open your GitHub repository, and then if you go to settings, and here collaborator, and click add people, and here you can search uh, user with their username, full name, or email, and you can add as a collaborator. So then the user can push code to the specific branch. So here if you go to this Odoo.sh, then this is a branch, right? So if the specific branch developer will push the code, and it will automatically update the branch. So this is how we can add user to Odoo.sh and to GitHub repository. I hope this video will helpful to you. Thank you very much.